know I'm not weird, I'm not on my own, I don't do this alone, gotta give you control. From mountain to valley, I know you surround me, I know that you have me, you won't let me fall. Yeah, you love me, I ain't liking nothing. You're the truth and no bluffing, because of the cross and no figure to touch me. I'm nothing unless I stay free as I'm trusting. 1,000 hallelujahs to my King. We praise you. 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 I still remember your number, can say those digits by heart. With that first drink of the summer, I think about where you are. I dialed 235, are you alive? How I miss our late night drives and 4-6. How was it that in my mind I flip a switch and 7-2, forgetting you is something I can't seem to do, even though we were just kids.
Okay, good morning. I don't have a voice to talk with this morning. Everybody's wanting the morning show, so I'm going to do the best I can do. Probably only let it run for maybe 30, 45, maybe an hour. But there ain't going to be a whole lot of talking right now. Morning, mommy. How you doing? I don't have a voice to talk with today. So, everybody's asking about the morning show. I guess I'll run it. I'm not going to be talking a whole lot, but I'll go through the coins of what we have here. Apologize. Nothing I can do about losing my voice. I guess when I start hacking and cough, I'll just mute my microphone. So, GRT, one of the coins I called on last night. I put it in chat, said it was going to be a good coin. And so far, it's been decent. I got into it at, I think I got into it 30-something cents, I think. I'm not sure. I know I was having some issues with CoinBase not letting me buy and sell last night. take forever to get out of a coin. And it would take forever to get into a coin. I take that back. I just checked CoinBase. I bought Balancer last night, not DRT. So, my mistake. I usually don't forget stuff like that, but I'm not, like I said, not feeling the best. And Balancer is down. Lovely. Oh well. But you see right here, ZRT took off last night too. Let's refresh this. And KNC's holding up their top of the shelf for the last 3 days. No. Turn the music up more so you guys have something to listen to besides my sick voice. We'll do our scroll here, see what's popping. Well, first of all, let's do this. Let's go look at Bitcoin. Let's see what Bitcoin's doing today. Had a nice run up Bitcoin, leveling off right here. 4,600, that magic level again. I thought it would hit this area, which it did. It continued down, which it tested twice. The third time it probably would have. But I'll move these over here because this is what was expected, and it did not happen. And I'll leave that there. I think a lot of this had to do with the news. This is when the news came out for Elon buying Twitter, trying to buy Twitter, make an offer. Everything took off, including Dogecoin. So here again, something that probably should have came crashing down, got saved by the news. Thank you very much for the super chat. Did you pop up? Tell me who it was. Thank you. Facebook or YouTube. Come on. There. Thank you, mommy. I appreciate it. Now I see people's faces on here. I wasn't seeing the chat. like 15 minutes. Like for some reason, yeah, there was nothing going on here. Weather has been crazy here, so my internet service probably is crap. Good morning, Bill. Good morning, Club. Good morning, Objection. No, I didn't block you. Unless you're the one that was... Are you Cole? K-O-H-L or whatever it was? I've been seeing that one pop up every morning like a troll. So yeah, I blocked that one. If that's you, I apologize. I could unblock you if that's you. I'll have to go on the backside of YouTube and find you. Unblock you if that's you. Just tell me if that was you. If it was, I'll remove you. Or unblock you. I apologize. But that one name every morning has been popping up with the same thing. I just assume it was a robot troll. And yeah, I kicked it. Okay. Putting on Hector Flight Lines. Airlines. Yeah, let's hack it up log again. So let's see what Bitcoin's doing for the day. Oh. Okay, if that wasn't you, I won't go back and get him. Other than that, no, you have not been blocked. I put them on Hector Airlines, so they definitely took a flight. I don't know if they get charged for the peanuts or not. It was a free flight. It left the CH terminal destination to who knows where. Wow. So here we are on the daily. You see Bitcoin coming right down here in my lines and turning. Wow. Okay. It came back up here. I took a short. So I'm in a short right now in this area. It ain't coming back down right now. And we'll see where it goes. I get liquidated out at 47,000. Not that far, but we'll see what happens. No helicopters here. We said I'm on a plane with no parachute. But Bitcoin on the daily got a green dot. Right here. Wow. See here, last time it got a green dot was right here. It ran up for the whole day. And then turned around and had a red dot, or came back down. Red came all the way down, so we'll see. It's kind of looking familiar, like this over here, like this area right here. One. Let's get back to the regular coins. As I'm sitting here sipping on my coffee, things are starting to feel a little better in my throat, but my chest is just on fire. Wow. GRT daily, got a nice turnaround. Green dot, nice crossover. I think GRT looks good for the rest of the day. Here, about 42 cents. I'm not sure it's going down in the smaller time frame. Yeah, see where it broke right through, got pushed out. Still getting pushed out on the 3 hour. Nice breakout pattern right here. So right below the SR here, pushes right through it. On top of the 200 moving average for the 3 hour. GR looks strong. You can see where it's tapering down. So let's see. KNC. Nice little even crossover and pump here. Nice run up maple. broke through all this. Just got on top. It's sitting and cooling off. It's got room to run. Let's do this. Oh yeah, I can see where it's getting held up right now. On the 1 hour SR here. This breaks through here. It's on top of the tier. It's getting pinched right now. Break through this here, probably get hung up here around $60. If they get to the 60, probably get back up to 61. Get past 61. I think I'll get running again for price discovery. Not today. They'll test it. I think I'll get up here and test this area right here. 60, 61. It's not too overextended yet. 30 minute. Yep. I see it's starting to get on top here. Pinch it down a little bit. Got on the 30 minute. And that's where it's got to cool off at. Got on the 1 hour. Still wants to go. 1 hour, the 1 day, everything wants to go. So the 30 minutes cooling off. Looking good for Maple. So might be a contender later today. Badger flashing over here, making some moves. Look at that. This is the 1 hour. They got a big flat, big old liquidation wick is what I like to call them. Some people call them scam wicks. It's a liquidation wick. It's where somebody has a bunch of cash and a bunch of coins. They got a sell set up here and put in a big buy here. It pushes it up. They have probably their stop point right about here. And the rest of the people push up further. The minimum pushes it further and it hits their buy, which is probably about 20 cents difference. It buys it back down. They make a profit. They gain more coins. With the same amount of money they're playing with. It's just a ping pong table for them is all it is. Oh. Anyway. Nice little breakout here. Back here at 5 a.m. Badger trying to push it. I see it was flashing there. So it's probably getting ready. You know, when it starts flashing up and down like that, you start probably getting another one of these here. These will eventually go away once the coin gets to a higher price. People with a lot of coins don't have as much control. Oh, let's see here. Everybody was talking about DDX this morning, making some moves. I can see where it's making moves here right now. Let's go see what the 1 hour looks like. Yep, definitely making some moves on the 1 hour. It's being capped back down. 3 hour, what are you looking like on the 3 hour? Yeah, looks good on the 3 hour. It's on top of everything. It's getting pushed up, but it's being held down by the moving averages right now. See, there's a little channel right here we've been playing with. I got marked. So maybe it can get back up in the 230 range where it needs to be. Nice breakout back here last night. Oh, that wasn't last night. That was the 25th. Oh, today's is 26. My bad. That was last night. Yeah, I feel a lot of crap today, but I'm doing the show for about 45 minutes or an hour. That's about it. Unfortunately, I keep tearing my voice up. It's hard to do videos later in the afternoon. So we'll see. I haven't put out the videos on Friday. So I'm falling behind on my low cap coins and other videos that I need to get done. But I don't know if anybody wants to listen to this voice on the videos that's going to be up for a long time. So I just haven't done any. RBN trying to make some moves. CTX. Koval. Let's get back up here and refresh us. See what we got going. ZRX came up there. Look at that. ZRX popped right in there again this morning. Nice breakout. When did that happen? 30-minute candle ago. Let's go to 15. It was more than 15 minutes ago. 10 minutes ago. Yeah, about 20 minutes ago. Just trying to break out. 10, 20, 30 minutes ago. I got the signal. Got the blue X, the next candle. So 20 minutes ago, we got a signal. 15-minute candle got lit up. 30-minute candle is lit up. Do we have a 45-minute candle lit up? Yes, we do. We got a 1-hour candle lit up. Not yet. Can we get a 1-hour candle? Can we get a 1-hour birthday candle, please? CRX. See, let's get hung up right here. Let's see, let's mark that. Right there. Let's get hung up on that SR line. If you guys can see that blue line I'm showing right here on this SR. Blue for this one. Let's get hung up on this one. Gets past that one. I'll go to the next one. That's what I like about this one thing. It has good little resistance point and support spots. Almost like little Fibonacci's, really. Kobo ZRX. Run up about 900% today. And see, the last time it took off running was very nice. Takes off shooting up, looks like a big old rainbow. That was back on 20th April. It likes to blow up. I mean, I think we're going to get another one here soon. No, I'm not going to review those kind of tokens. I like to keep my monetization. I just took a year to earn. So I think I'll stay within my guidelines of YouTube. I'm not going to push my luck yet. Took me 13 months to earn it. I'm not going to spend 1 week trying to get rid of it. Those kind of tokens might have good viewage and good movement, but I don't see too many other people covering them. Put my neck on the line either. Maybe you can get a coin review on the other U channel. Looks like it's going to get a little pullback on the 10 minute here. It's holding up. I'll scroll through these other coins too. I definitely think with Bitcoin being where it's at and hovering across the $40,500 range, we should probably start seeing more and more get green pop off at 40,500, 600 seems to be the magic range for the popcorn machine to start popping all these alts off. Hopefully it's making a move downward. I'm a little objective today about Bitcoin because I'm in a long and I don't want to get shorted out. So, and I wouldn't feel good, wasn't paying close attention. What I should have done is I should have taken a, I'm in a short, I'll take that back. I should have taken a long when it first got rejected on the bottom. And I missed that call. No, I'm in a short, and it's not too bad. I thought it was going to get rejected right around 40,000, come back down. So I think at 39.8 something, I took a short. So I'm good. Get all the way up to almost 48,000. So we'll just let it ride. See what the end of the month does for the futures and see who gets liquidated and shorted and what happens at the end of the month. I have to keep an eye on what's going on with the Feds and the stock market and all that crap. It has a way of affecting all that stuff too. ZRX, you're gonna pump on through here and get on moving. You say OX, you talking about District OX? ZRX pumping out 10%. GRT making a move with it. You're gonna break that top right here? Yep, it just barely broke it. Gonna come back, retest it, and then take off and go again? Nope. He says, I've already done that. Yeah, there it is. Retest. See how it went up, came back, flashed? Oh, now it keeps going. I kind of figured it would come back, retest it. So it popped up right here, smashed back down to it, and it took off. Oh, ZRX is OX. I don't have a brain this morning. I got snot-filled chest and brain, so I am not thinking with a crap. That's what I said. I just turn the music up, let the music, and I'll just scroll through here. That's a 10-minute. Let's go back to the 30. Yeah, it's getting topped out a little bit on the 30. Not too bad. Still got room to run. Yeah, birthday candle on the 30-minute right to the middle there. That's continuation here. GRT. ERT just blew it out of the ballpark. I'm looking for something to, is that all-time high? No, I didn't think it was. Here we go. There's where it's getting caught up. Let's do this right here. So that might get held up right on that line. If not, it can continue on. There. So we'll see if it gets hung up on that SR line there. Sorry for that garbage movement. Gotta get these out so you guys can see them better. So you got crossover here on the 50, crossing 100 and a 200. See, we're nice explosion. We got crushed up. Fix and get the 100 crossing at 200. So everything's starting to flip over and go up. It's funny how you get a red dot and a pump. ERT steadily moving up. ZRX, get a little pullback. Let's refresh this again. Like I said, we're going to start seeing a lot of things start popping off because of where Bitcoin's currently sitting. Green Day. Up 50-50 live. So the wife just got the baby in here. So she come here and say good morning to me. I told her to keep her out of the room. I'm not feeling good. Don't want the baby to get sick again. Last thing we need is keep passing these calls back and forth between the kids and have them come back a week later and give it back to us. I haven't really been trading since, not like I was, since I started playing with BitGet. So that's my trading for right now. As far as spot trading and stuff like that, I did move out of one coin yesterday into another, and that's about it. I can see where it's more, it could be more profitable shorting and longing than it will be chasing these coins around. I just got to rely on my technical analysis is a little bit better. NCT, are you making a move? Yep, try to get a little breakout there. Like you're already past the 1 hour, 40 minute. Oh, 30 minute already. That right up to the 200 moving average. ENT. Could. It's looking like it wants to break out. Get the green dot right here. The next candle on the 30 minute will tell us if we get a complete breakout. And if it wants to turn back up. GTC. Now, even though it shows it's moving up, it's not really moving up. Oh. I don't know if you heard me earlier, Mummy, but thank you very much for the $5 super chat. I appreciate that when we first started up. NKN. Might not get, I'll get a pump, but not much, I don't think. RLC. Fake out. Oh, what else we got here? Oh. Ape really isn't really losing. It's actually where it probably needs to be. Did make an all-time high up here last night. I was trying to cash out last night. Coinbase wouldn't let me out. I started cashing out right about here, about 1930. It didn't let me out until about 1870, 1890 area. I was kind of PO'd. So until Coinbase can get their site fixed up, I don't think I'm going to be doing any more spot trading for a little bit. Because I was trying to get out of here and get into another coin. So I got out of here late. Got the other one about the time it was starting the middle of the bump. Not only that, they cost me money not getting out, they cost me money not able to get back in. I think Ape will come back and retest this. And when it does, I think it'll take off into the low to mid 20s, 21, 22, $23 area. I think once we get into the $20 area, you'll start seeing bigger moves. Like this right here, you're starting to see $1, $2 moves. You'll start seeing $2, $3 moves. And as you get up into the $30, $40 range, you'll start seeing $4 or $5 moves. The bigger the coin price gets, the bigger the moves start seeming. They don't seem that much over here on this side as percentages. Look at Bitcoin. It can move $1,500 and only be 1.5%. If Ape moved $1,500, it would be 300%. So that's what I mean by the higher the price of the coin, it doesn't reflect it as much in the percentage. Come on, get up there. I marked it. You broke through the first one. Look at that. Broke through the line again here, the LMSA. Trying to get that under it. Nice breakout. Nice big green dot for it on the 30-minute. This is GRT. Try to scroll this back here to the 3-hour. So yeah, one more stagnant area here to get through. Get to this little area right here. This will be the golden spot to break. Because there's really not much other than over here. A little bit right here. And a little stop right here. But other than that, this thing could pop off once it gets up here. So I'd say get up here around 42 cents. It needs to cool off. Go up, retest it, cool off. Then it could take another big run later today. As long as Bitcoin's willing to stay where it's at, make everybody happy. If not, it could get up there, retest, Bitcoin take a crap, and it'll come down with it. I'm just having a hard time getting my Candle's looking halfway decent today. There we go. Time to make moves. Maybe it's time to kick back, listen to the water gurgle, relax. Take a chill pill, just relax. Quit chasing these coins. Find the ones you want to be in, sit into them. Keep an eye on Bitcoin. And watch Bitcoin run up or go down. Because you know as well as I do, as soon as Bitcoin decides to make a U-turn, start coming back, all these coins want to follow it. So let's see who's making moves and who's not. People's moving up a little bit more. Yep. ZRX. ZRX is in the channel here, trying to retest it and back out, blast out of it. GRT tried to find its channel, but pull back out. We'll see. There's a race there at the 10% level. Balance or this is the one I bought into last night. I seen the moves right down here on the around the $16 level. I seen what was getting ready to take off. By the time I could get my funds out of Ape and get over here, it was already up here. Now I wanted it down here, so about a 30-cent difference in price. I was a little PO'd, but it'll be all good. I'm almost up $1 on that per coin there. And I think balance would be good for the rest of the day. Keep an eye on ZRX as we scroll here. Zcash making a little bit of moves again. Zcash has been making moves for the last couple of weeks. Maker's definitely making some moves here. Oh, it's a tanking moves. That don't look pretty. Straight down, big red X. Pushing down top, catching right here on the 100 moving average. Oh, everything's starting to turn red again. What happened? Oh, I see what happened. Look at that. Dropped right out of there. $300. Just, ooh. Really? 628 290 300. So there's a $300 plummet right there. That was in 30 minutes. Let's go to 15. So yeah, got a red X on the 15. It's trying to hold it. Go to 24 minute. And 3 minute. Yeah, everything's from 24 minutes on. Everything's trying to hold it, but it's coming down. So let's see what happens. If it'll stop at one of these moving averages, or if it's coming down this line, coming back to this wedge it was forming. We'll see what Bitcoin does. It did definitely get up here. Where did it top out at? 40,822, 823 area. I think it's still supposed to push up into the 41. It was projected to push up in the 41.2, 41.3, 5 area up in here before it's supposed to come back down again. So we'll see. Good morning, Ballistics Zeus. How are you doing? I am fighting a severe cold. I thought I was over it. And I woke up this morning and I was just on fire. My chest is killing me. I'm gonna let this thing run for about another 15, 20 minutes. So Bitcoin, come on. There's the news. Elon Musk and Twitter and all that crap. Dogecoin, everything blew off out of here. So I think this is an artificial pump out of Bitcoin because all the news. But we'll see what happens. If it is, if this is an artificial pump based on the news, it won't hold. It'll just come flopping back down. It affects everything else. There you go. ZRX. Pop that top channel. And I hit auto here. I'll let you guys watch it. I need more coffee. Yeah. No, it's been a long time since somebody, probably Oracle. I think, can't remember his name. He comes in and out. Hodl calls me Oracle all the time. Yeah, that's a long time hearing that one. Houston, I think we have left off. Oh, definitely got a nice lift off. Here, do we have 90 cents incoming or do we have $1? Houston, I think we have a small lift off. Oh, I just got back in time to watch this thing blow a gasket, didn't I? Wow. I bet you that's a nice 1 hour candle like yesterday. Yeah, look at that. Beautiful. 1 hour blast off. Nothing like lighting up a 1 hour candle. Wow. Definitely looks beautiful. Underneath that blue diamond there. Sorry about that. I don't know what ZRX is. It's a coin. Nice. Well, Subi, that was a nice little 50-cent investment. %8 gain. Only 8% gain? Wow, that's 19 and growing. 8% would have been back here. 90-cent incoming. Let's see here. How are we looking? Just got left off on the 1 hour. Hit the top here. It's at the top there. 89 cents. That's one of my old purchases back there. That's one of its old highs right there. Not quite old highs, but one of my old purchases. So got an SR level right here. So you see where it topped out this SR level right here. If it breaks this, the next item to hold it back will be right back here. And if it breaks that, you can go all the way up to here. Yep. There you go. And turn that auto off. And this is the last big high. See, let's find a double top candle. Nope. So that might be the all-time high up there. Not sure. Get rid of this purple one. That was just where I bought it last time. So I'm just marking these SR levels. So you can see where it came up. Tag this SR level here. There's one right here it should pull back to. Retest that maybe. Let's change these colors here. I'll put that one as almost golden because if it gets to that one, it will be definitely heading to the golden area. That dot attack right there. Oh, a nice candle on ZRX this morning. Wow. Definitely a nice candle. What do we get out of that? I can't even measure it right now. What is that? That is a nice 20.27% candle on the 1 hour. Freaking huge. And it could still grow. Very nice double-digit coin in the mid double digits. And it's pumping while Bitcoin is coming down. Bitcoin dropped another $100 while this was messing around. Oh, coffee feels so good. You copied my style? Is that what you're saying? Happy with those 8 to 10% gains? Yeah, I agree. It's nice to get the 8 to 10% gains, but when you get a rocket taken off like this, and you see me back out from the 30 to the 1 hour here, if you're watching your chart, you should be looking over here at the 10, 5-minute chart. So if you'd have rode this out, I mean, even at the 3-minute chart, there was a hesitation there. You know, you could have cashed out here, or you could have rode it up, wait till the next red candle. You know, but yeah, definitely zoom out on your time frames, and that way you can watch it. Because if it would have ran up here, you'd had 15%, pull back to there, 12%. You probably bought in right about here. So yeah, I see your 8%. You bought in probably about here. Got out when it retraced. So yeah, I see your 8% there. Got up here, you had 10%, came back, get out. I mean, that's a safe trade. That's what I do a lot of times is I'll zoom out, start seeing a big candle take off, and I'll start zooming into like the 5-minute, 3 minutes, and wait for the first huge retracement. Once I'm past my 7, 8, 10% level I want to be at, and the first time it pulls back, jump out. So this 1 hour candle, a lot of this is just basically for the show. But I mean, here you're seeing a retracement trying to push back up. If this next 1 hour candle does not break this out here, if it just gets up here, it'll start working its way down. You'll start getting your little angle downward. If it breaks it, then we could see this possibly reach back up here for $1.02 again. That's what we're trying to do a week or so ago. Bitcoin gonna make big move in which direction? Up or down? We always know Bitcoin makes moves in at least 10 minutes. We just don't know which way. We can figure out which way. Okay, we've been kind of ignoring everybody else. KNC is coming up in second place here, trying to run out. GRT is cooling off. Maple's just waiting to get past this SR to blow up, I think. I think it's getting smashed right here. And it's getting pinched. It's got to make a decision. Get to the 30 minutes. Yeah, I see it's on top. Getting pinched right there. KNC. See that? Oh, umbrella and the check mark right back. Poof. Came back here and check marked it. If this would check mark cross through with this, it would be a huge blast off. Balancer at 1682, pulling back. Yep, definitely a pullback. Perp looks like it's trying to get past the 200. CTX. Yeah, that looks like a Bitcoin move. All this red showing up. Yeah, Bitcoin just dropped down. It's in the negative one. $180 drop. I can't make up its mind which way it wants to go right now. Cody. Everybody on the 30 minutes be getting pinched. What we see on the 15s. BCH ain't doing nothing. SNX got a big number there. So you had a quick little pop up and a pullback right here. I see that 3% sticking out in the middle of nowhere. Yeah, so I started clicking on that, going, well, that one's moving. Yeah, it's Bitcoin. Big dump by POL. Let's check in on Jasmine. It's taking a big hit right now. Let's back out to the daily. See how our chart's looking on the daily. Not looking the best. It is coming back down this area I drew. And then my little blue line seems to be following pretty close to my squiggly lines. I don't want this. It could possibly turn off and dismiss it. I'd like for it to connect here and grab a hold and follow my line. Definitely ain't looking the best. This is on the daily. So we still have the rest of the day and tomorrow to reverse that. So a lot of that depends on Bitcoin and people holding Jasmine. I made the call back here. I said 3 to 5 days. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. We had a decent move. Did not get quite up as high as I wanted. We did reach almost 3 cents, I think. That's what we get to. 2.8. And I'd say we should get up around 4 to 5. So I still think it's coming. I think it's just going to be derailed a little bit right here. Due to Bitcoin, never know. It could turn around, start pumping up this leg here tomorrow, next day. Oh, I'm not worried about him. You know, when you start calling 3 to 5 the week, 3 to 5 days to a week out, there's a lot of variables. You know, you got Bitcoin to play with, everything else. I'm not a long-term type person, make long-term predictions. I'm doing good to see, the next couple of days up ahead at just possibility of what might be happening. Thank you, Sushi. I appreciate it. Thank you for the super chat. My wisdom has helped. I'm glad it's helped some people. You gotta sometimes ask yourself, is it wisdom or stupidity? No, I'm just kidding. I'm just too stupid to know any better. That's what some people would probably say. Oh. I do. I hope I'm helping people here. I don't want to, I see one guy said he lost money following what I said, but I don't tell people to buy what I do or what I say. I just want to point out what's going on in the charts and try to help people read charts and help people understand how to make their own decision. It does get frustrating to see people coming here and not know the first thing about crypto and asking, should I buy? Should I sell? It's like, figure this out. It's a learning game. So that's what I like. I like to have people learn. Once I do get my voice back and get feeling better, I will get this video out on how to set these charts up, how to read them. I know Mel and a few of the other ladies have asked for it. Well, that's good. And I definitely appreciate the super chat. Thank you very much. So, ZRX, are we going to get our pullback? And that's the other thing is what I try to do is show people how to do this right here. Take your measurement. That right there was 20.29%. So 20, half of 20 is 10, half of 10 is 5%. So roughly you can expect this to pull back 5%. And there's 5%. It did not make a full 5% yet. And I like saying that, yet. That's usually the average pullback. They won't always pull back because it's got this line up here. You can see where it tagged through, but the candle body is hanging up here on this next SR line. So, but a 5% pullback, which is 25% of the run up, that's a good average for a coin to come back to. I take it how I take it. I know. I didn't know that was you. I wasn't calling out names. I was just making comments. Because you probably ain't the first one to say that. But, you get trolls in here who you normally see, don't see their name all the time. And all of a sudden you'll see a name come out of nowhere. They'll call me an idiot and say I can't read charts, and they followed me and lost a bunch of money, and I'm sitting here just eyeballing going, okay. And never seen the name in my chats ever before. So I get a kick out of those people. I don't lose nobody money because I don't take your money from you and trade it for you. You push and pull the buttons. You're the adult in your decisions. I always tell people, this is not financial advice. I do not expect people to buy these green candles. That'd be stupid. Buy the top, sell the bottoms. That'd be easy if you can make profits doing that. The only way you make profits buying the top and selling the bottom is if you get over here on BitGet and you start leverage trading the coins. And you can leverage trade on coins. And I believe TNX, he was leverage trading on Ape. Did very well. So, and that link is in the descriptions if you want to play with that, learn how to do it. They do have a simulator mode where they give you play money to play with on the real chart. That way you're actually doing trades on a real chart just with simulator money to see how you do. If you lose money doing that, then you shouldn't do it with your own money. That's the best way to try it. And so BitGet, there's a link in my descriptions. Sock accounts. Euro symbol on its side. No, I have flames on a rocket taking off. That's the closest we can get to flames in a TradingView chart. But actually, my voice is coming back a little bit. It won't be gone long before it's gone again. KNC, look at that nice check trying to push off there. CTX. So let's grow this list here real quick. SNX, trying to have a little takeoff. My eyes are watering because my throat's burning so bad right now. It's hard for me not to talk because, believe me, I like to talk. Yuma. Look at that. I just seen that as we're scrolling down the green out of the red. That's what you look for, but that was a little late catch. UMA. UMA. Just got the fresh check mark. Got the next lift off. We blasted through this one already. Jeez. Yeah. Oh, there's not a whole lot here to hold it back. That's almost even there. Wow. It should be the gold line there. $6.80 something on UMA. Go to the 1 hour. Let's go to the 3 hour. Oh, yeah. Well, this thing's way down. Oh, that's way down. This thing's needing to blast off, get back up here, ain't it? $13 coin. Normally up to around $10. Hell, we thought this was golden. That ain't nothing. This thing needs like what? Yeah, it needs like 1100 or yeah, 114% candle to get back up there. Uman definitely needs a big pump, doesn't it? Wouldn't that be awesome to watch? Be here looking at it, and I was thinking 114% candle. That'd be like get your diaper on. Hell, with a space helmet, an auction tank, you need diapers for a 114% helmet. Make it right. Even Superman has limits. Yeah, well, there's really no breaks in being a streamer sometimes. People still want their information. Especially when the market's getting like where it's getting. People still want to know what's going on. And plus, you guys, everybody likes their coin of the day. I'll tell you what, if I get to the point where I can't talk and I can't do the show, I'll base the coin on the day by 8 o'clock Central Standard Time. Whatever is top of coin up here, I'll put it as coin of the day, no matter what. Maybe I'll even do that on Sundays when I don't do the show on Sundays. Unless I'm out of town or something. TNX. Yeah, TNX. Would you like to elaborate on that? I think you went a little overboard your first couple of trades. He learned real fast. 5x, 10x, maybe a 15x is strong. Them 50 and 75x's just suck, don't they? They liquidate the shit out of you real quick when they turn around. Yeah, you might as well. You get over the 25x mark, you're starting to play roulette with a single fire pistol. Yeah. I wouldn't do a 50x unless I knew for a fact something was turning around and taking a huge dump. Then I might just throw a 50x in there and take about a quick little 1% gain and get out. Yeah, no. That's not until you can learn how to read the charts really good and you can see when something turned and you know it's going to keep running. That's when you jump in with those stupid, crazy kind of gains like that. Yeah, I've been messing with it. I started out 5x, 3x, 5x, 10x, and then I started, since I'm messing with a smaller amount of money, I push it to 15. But to me, the more money you're playing with, I mean, if you're leveraging, like I got friends who leverage $5, $10, $15, $25,000, and they won't go anywhere between 3 to 5x. So GRT, KNC, ZRX, everything's fluctuating here. Let's get off the 3 hour, go to the 30 minutes. So yeah, definitely everything's starting to pull back a little bit. 4,200, 40,200. So Bitcoin is making a little pullback. But do you just, okay, spot trade. You're not leveraging your spot trades or nothing. I said X. Scrolling the list again. Pro kind of stuck his nose out there just a little bit. Try to get a little push here, getting pinched. 30, 15. Yeah, I was trying to push. I don't see a large push out of Pro right this moment. Maybe about another 4 or 5 cents. Okay, I see we're past the top of the hour. My phone is on fire again, so I'm going to scroll this real quick, see what's going on. Then we'll refresh for the coin of the day here. And I'm going to take my break. Like, do nothing the rest of the day. Everything is moving pretty quick in here. I see a lot of flashing. Tells me Bitcoin's making some decent moves. So we'll look through here. Yeah, you definitely see everything kind of fluctuating pretty quick through here. Big drops. UMA just made a huge drop. Look at that. Boom. Dropped about as fast as it went up. Everything else is coming down. So that tells me Bitcoin is crushing everything right now. So, wow, really? GRT, ZRX. What time is it? I got a cat screaming over here. 8:22. We will give it 8 more minutes. At the end of this 15-minute candle, to decide who's going to be the leader of the day. I'll make it fair. Bottom of the hour. Appreciate everybody hanging out here with me this morning, even though I'm not having a voice. I kind of feel crappy. I apologize. So that's why I turned the music up a little bit. So yeah, here at the bottom of the hour, I'll rotate this. We'll get the top coin for the day. And then I'm just going to end the live stream. I was going to do it at 8 o'clock, but I'll let it ride till 8:30. So thank you guys for your support and showing up. I'll get things back to the way they were eventually here. Like I said, I was just under the weather pretty bad this weekend. It's still today. Yeah, thank you guys. Please like, subscribe. Come hang out in our other 24/7 live stream. And at the bottom of the hour here, right at 8:30 Central Standard Time, I will get our coin of the day up over there and choose it here in a second. It's probably don't sound bad, but it's lighting my chest up on fire to sit here and talk. I'm so congested right now. And probably because I got a decent microphone that can pick it up while I'm still hoarse and whispering here. What happened to all Mummy's messages here? DNX. I just seen Mummy completely disappear here. What's up? I'll message you here in a second. But we're winding down, get to the top of the hour here. Let me get through here. Take some medication, which are probably gonna knock me out around lunchtime. See if I get this burning feeling out of my chest today. Get me feeling much better. Try to get myself feeling better. Sorry about that. I tried to mute the microphone, didn't mute fast enough. I don't mean to cough in people's ears like that. That's horrible. I'm sorry. Every chip hit the button, it didn't go off as I was starting to cough. So I apologize if I blew anybody's eardrums out there. So it is 8:30. Coins are making a move. All right, see what's up here at the top. GRT. KNC's trying to make it, but GRT has it at 8:30. So GRT will be on your list today, or on the live stream today. I want to thank each and every one of you for coming by and hanging out and supporting me today. And thank you all for the super chats this morning. I really appreciate that. And please like, subscribe, push that notification button so that way when I do the morning shows and when I come on and drop videos, you guys get notified. So have a wonderful day. I will try to get myself feeling better. You guys take care of yourself and be safe trading. And we'll talk at you hopefully tomorrow morning. If not, I'll see you in chat off and on the day. If I don't get feeling too bad and just go lay back down and pass out. So everybody, have a wonderful day. Yeah, KNC just popped up after the 8:30 mark. So GRT is still going to be the coin of the day. But KNC is definitely trying to make a move here. So keep an eye on it. Start to get that double top prospect.